Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making something really easy for you guys. It's gonna be mango milkshake, but trust me, it's gonna be very delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, so you need 2 ripened mangoes. We're just gonna peel them off and take the flesh out. I'm just gonna go through and cut this off. Be careful with your fingers. And there you go, look at that, beautiful, delicious mango. I know it's not the season of mangoes, but you know, you love them still. You don't have to remove the skin and do all that messy stuff when you can just do this. I'm gonna save this for later. I'm gonna remove some of this flesh and I'm gonna decorate our milkshake with that. With the help of this spoon, we're just gonna remove all that flesh. So it's super easy. Just do it like that. You know, nice and clean. Amazing. There you go. So our delicious mangoes are ready to go into the blender. Chunks of mangoes into there. So there you go. Alright, so our lovely mangoes inside. Now comes in the sugar. So how much sugar you want to add, it's up to you. I don't want to add too much sugar because the mango is going to be nice and sweet. So I'm just going to use around 2 teaspoons of sugar. Alright, finally we're going to add in the milk. If you want it nice and thick, you don't want to add too much milk in there. I'm using roughly around 450 ml of milk, so that's gonna make it nice and thick. A teaspoon of vanilla extract is gonna give it that flavor and that aroma as well. Alright, so cover this up. Let's blend this. Alright, so that looks gorgeous. I can see it's very nice and thick in there. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh my days, look at that. Beautiful. Let me just show you with the help of a spoon here. So nice and thick. Look at that. Now if you want, you can add a bit of ice, but trust me, it's cold, so I don't want to do that. Alright, so grab your glass. Gonna add our beautiful milkshake onto that. Look at that. Oh my days. So delicious. For the final touch, gonna add a bit of the cream on that, alright? So nice and easy. Just gonna go with. Look at that. Beautiful. Now on top of that, you want to add a bit of those mangoes, alright? Just want to add that across. Oh man. That looks amazing, trust me. And there you have it, beautiful mango milkshake. Made with love. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Oh man, looks delicious. Look at it. Try some of these mangoes first along with that whipped cream. Grab some of that milkshake. Wow. So what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna mix everything up, alright? Just like so. There you go. You ready? Bismillah. Oh man, along with the whipped cream. Oh, it's on another level, man. So good. There's no point of a watery milkshake. This one actually keeps the flavor there. You gotta try this one. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, and I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.